How to change Shopify theme. So if you want to go ahead and change your Shopify theme, here's what you are going to want to do. So you're going to come over to online store. And once we come over to the online store, here we have themes. So if you want to change your themes, you're going to come down here where you have popular free themes. And you can obviously choose to add any one of these themes, or you can even visit their theme store that has a lot of other themes that most of them are paid, but some of them are free as well. So let's say I want to add the Sense theme. So I'm going to click on add. And once we click on add, we're going to wait for it to install. But obviously, once you add it, this doesn't automatically change your theme. If you want to go ahead and fully change your theme, once it's done installing, you are going to be clicking on publish. And once you click on publish, that properly goes ahead and adds a new theme to your store. And you can finally go ahead and customize it and fully show it to the world. Okay. So, yeah, that's the main idea of how we are going to be changing our Shopify theme in the easiest way. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.